Welcome to Budget Buddy for all your budgeting needs. So last time you complained that there was too much pizzazz in the video and too much advertising. So what you're getting now is a plain video. Sorry, not sorry. Alright, cool. So we're gonna run through our terms and conditions. We have those in our app now. So one of the updates we made, privacy policy, all the legal stuff, we have those now. Okay. The standard procedure, we have sign in, sign up, log in, whatever. You fill in your surname, phone number, email address, password. Guess you started with Budget Buddy, so that your stuff is personalized. It's sitting on a server with your details, or on a database with your details. Simple enough, ne? So once you get your account ready and everything, you can change your currency, and you can even change the Samuel. We have languages now. Look how many languages we have. Then you enter your minimum budget, maximum budget, enter debt goal, enter savings goal. Basically everything's the same as usual. We just tweak the UI to make it look a little bit fancy. There's a little bit of indent issues, but it is what it is. Okay, if you look at that screen that flashed really quickly, we have no details. Here's our new update graphs. No details there. We don't have any transactions to compare or run against anything. So and look, we've got gamification now. You acquire rewards depending on your transactions and whatnot. So yeah, that's fun. Thank you so much, Jared and Luiso, for these updates. We really appreciate you guys. So yeah, look at the interface and the settings. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this. We can change language, currency in the settings. If you made a mistake. Now here's the real interesting part. You can go to this man's gallery. So you can go change your profile picture, add your full name, email address, edit your profile any way you want, and it will be updated on your Firebase and the thingy, in the back end. And yeah, it's just the typical stuff we've had before. We just made a few visual changes here and there. Now, if you gaze your eyes upon the bottom of the screen, you can see some of the badges appear too early. Whoopsie, small bug. Might be fixed, might not be fixed. Who knows? So yeah, we go and add our transactions like we did before. This is the available amount we have. Nothing too crazy. So now we're going to add some income or expenses depending on what type. We have different categories of transactions that you can add there. We're going to add 40k, add the date of the transaction. Nothing too crazy. And then this man type slow. Okay. And then you can add notes. Now with our notes, we added a new feature where you can add an image to the notes. You'll see in a bit. Why is so you can add an image to the notes, and then you add the transactions there. Yay, look, the balance went up. Isn't Budget Buddy fun? Budget Buddy, yeah, that's the name of the thing. Yeah, look, and now we even have a graph. Graphs are there. We have a little pie chart thingy. It's nice. Okay, cool. So now here's our different charts. We can compare income versus expenses, current month expense, current month income. It's nice. So now we're gonna add another transaction real fast. Oh, there's a badge there for adding a thingy. That's nice, guys. Well done. So now we're gonna add a new transaction. Let's not even run through this. You already know what happens here. So now when you have the transaction history, you're gonna see the different transactions. Then okay, a little bit of a bug with the stuff, and then text overlapping on the graphs, but it works. You can see it works. Then that's what counts, Samuel. That's all that counts. So yeah, look at the available balance. Everything is nice. We've got rewards again, and then there's budget thingies. We can add new categories here. You can call it what are we gonna call it? Junior. What are we calling it? Car savings, yeah. And then what amount? Junior. Hey, you love 40k, Junior. You love 40k, bro. So yeah, what else is gonna add here? House savings. Okay, if it's gonna be 40k, it's okay. 20k, crazy. Okay, yellow. There we go. All right, cool. So now it's time to craft the budget report. Enter current budget. What's the budget, my boy? Type it there. Yeah, 36,000, almost 40, but not quite there. And then we go there. Look, the budget is up. It updated, and then enter new goals. Yes, we've also got goals, savings goal, debt goal. You can set new goals for that stuff. This app is flawless. I trust. There we go. There, you have reached your goal of over 50k, and your savings is above. Is that 10k, 100? I don't know. Can't read nicely. But yeah, the rewards work. Look, we have rewards. The rewards are there. We did, we work. This app is proper. It's proper. It was very well made. So yeah, you can see graphs are working. So in summary, the updates we made, we added graphs, rewards, updated UI elements. All the things are the same. Transaction history, budget, categories, everything is the same as it was before. Login screen, we added a privacy policy, terms and conditions, just to make it look a little bit professional. So yeah, it's fun stuff. So now, last but not least, we have a little budget report that gets exported to the user's device when they want it to be exported. So before, go to settings, create budget report. We're going to edit profile, my brother. Create budget report, dog. It's right there. Thank you. Now you can set a range for when you want the budget report to occur, from that date to another date, and then it will generate a little report of the transactions that you've had and the little other things that you've had from those dates. Just like last time, I don't think there's really much to go over there. And then it will be in a PDF file if you wanted to. Not that kind of PDF file, but yeah, I'm tired, man. Okay, so if you choose to export to PDF, you can go to downloads. Budget Buddy will put the thing in downloads. Then look, oh yeah, a small thing, you can even download your graphs if you want to. There we go. You can have a look at that. That's the new feed. That's another new feature right there, other than exporting the budget report. So yeah, that's the app. That's it. Thanks for coming out tonight.